Choosing the best ceramic cookware for your home and family can be a daunting experience, even if you limit your options to those that guarantee superior cooking performance. That's why my team and I committed to creating a unique ceramic cookware that meets the needs of every home. Beyond the style and beauty, our ceramic cooking pans and pots are the absolute most durable, effective, scratch and wear resistant cooking utensils. The non-stick cooking surface that cooks evenly can withstand any cooking conditions. Made from non-reactive, inorganic and natural materials. Safe at very high temperatures, ensuring even heat distribution during cooking. Designed to allow you to cook healthy, delicious food without endangering your health. They are easy to clean and exceptionally durable. Right now, the cookwares are available on a direct-to-consumer sales model. Rather than paying for added costs in retailing and wholesale, you only pay for manufacturing. With your purchase, you will be one of the first to see just how impressive this ceramic cookware is. Carefully crafted to take cooking experience to an amazing new level.